Hi there, my name is Dirk, better known as Yankske_BE from the writing tutorial series. Today we're gonna do something completely different. Yesterday I was in the Discord of the Hyper community and I got like a question because I'm building or trying to build an advanced AI based on the AI we already have in the Hyper Combat framework. Um, this is what we are going to do. So first, I'm gonna quickly let you see what I'm talking about. So this is the website. All information will be at the bottom of the videos. I will always include those three. So this is the website where you can go buy courses, you can buy all assets through his own website, or you can go, for example, in the Epic store, you type in Hyper, and then you will come to this page, and then like you see, the Hyper is basically a multiplayer survivor template. What does that mean? That means that if you have the Pro version that contains all the elements you see here, so for the version 2 in this case, version 1, when you see version 1, that is meaning that is for the Unreal Engine 4 assets. And if you're working with Unreal 5 assets, it's better to use the version 2. Okay? And like you see, you have all kinds of yeah, modules basically. It's built up of modules, very good, easy to use in my opinion. If you have a little bit of background in how to use systems and how to manipulate them. And also a good thing is always copy. If you have, for example, the inventory and you want to have a new item, for this example, I'm gonna take an apple. We have an apple inside, and you want to have like another fruit type. Yeah, you just copy that row in the data table and you start modifying the name, the icon, and then you see what you need to modify. And that is how you start by learning things. And if you do it like that, I think you're better off than trying to start putting in a lot of new things and don't know where you need to modify everything. Because if you start on these, then you will already have like certain elements in it. So like if we're going to expand this, you see, so the yellow or yellow, let me say yellow, is included. So you have the inventory, the crafting and the hotbar, the vendors, that's basically one package. Then you have like another module, the outline system, the interactive foliage, the shoppable trees, and the replication subsystem. And this all is then basically the basic he puts already in it because everything is built upon a big system. And when we go back and we take, for example, directly the Pro version, then when we go read more, you already see like what is included already in it. So here you got like this was the first thing, the basic one, let me say. Then you have in the other one also the building systems, mineable rocks and everything. So in this case, you will be having the complete assets, let me say. And then as extra, you got like the animal AI, the basic boss. So this is basic. That's what I mean. It's basic. It will detect you based on vision and then will do some functionality that is programmed by one of the hyper community guys. Okay, so then I got a second question from where did you learn this? Uh, Where did I learn this? My interest goes basically in my real life. I work as a support engineer, system engineer. So I'm working with client server things and basic networking and stuff like that. But in my free time, I'm always interested in how do they do this? When you look like, for example, Ice Age, it's so beautiful when you see all those animated characters and yeah, I don't know how to say it, but that is really something like, hmm, that is nice done. And then also the gaming part, normal, huh? We're boys, we need to play some games. And I'm more like the developer guy, so I did a lot of simulation games where I always was modifying stuff and everything. But to come back to this one, I use Udemy a lot, and it goes from simple, I need to know something, I wait because Udemy is a good platform if you know how to use it. And what do I mean by know how to use it? Is basically to buy stuff. You just need to wait. Like for example, now this one is 65, huh, to round it, 65 euros. But Udemy does a lot of promotions. So next week, for example, this one can come 6 euro, 9 euro, 11 euro, or like now 15 euro. You're at the top. So you just need to wait, and then when the time comes, you buy it. Then you have a lifetime on the video, so you can always refer back to them. So that's what I do. I do courses fully, but I also do courses that I only take some elements out of it. So in this case, we are using this as a reference, like you see here. We start on everything, small videos, 30 minutes, and then we can go further. So to keep things short, we are going to round this video. And in the next video, we are going to recreate this. At this point, there's an issue because I broke something. That's development. You make and break. But so normally I was thinking, like in the previous video you see, I had the AI, they fight with each other, but they keep the same, their own weapon. But I modified it already that when this AI got like a sword and this one got like, for example, a pistol, this one detects this one, he will take a pistol. This one detects this one will take a sword. So that the fight is always equal. Okay? That was the main thing. The only thing I set up now was already like the investigation and the seeking. So I did it. So by doing that, I broke something. I can do a quick play, but I don't think they will be going to attack. Okay, so like now you see, he didn't had anything in his hand and he changed it to uh, the the big sword, let me say. But you see, they are standing too far away, so they don't hit each other. So we are going to recreate this and see where we can then modify the things. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to start by creating the project. We are going then start on the first steps I did because I also need to double check everything. But that is basically what we are going to try to do. Okay? And then also, if you want to leave a comment on one of the videos, you can, but I not always read it because I totally don't have the time to go every day on the YouTube and read messages. I got my Discord open most of the time, so it's better to use Discord to communicate with me than try to do it through the YouTube. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.